Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best miter saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to get clean, accurate cuts with bulky, heavy miter saws? Many compact saws sacrifice power and precision, making trim work, framing, and DIY projects harder than they should be. If you want a lightweight sliding miter saw that still delivers smooth cuts and reliable accuracy, there's a better option designed for tight spaces and fast setup. Meet the Metabo HPT C8 FSS 1/2-inch sliding compound miter saw from Metabo HPT, a compact sliding miter saw with a linear ball bearing system built for smooth, precise cutting. This saw features an 8.5-inch blade that balances portability with strong cutting performance. The linear ball bearing slide system provides ultra-smooth operation, helping maintain accuracy during crosscuts. Its compact sliding rails allow the saw to sit closer to the wall, making it ideal for small workshops. The powerful corded electric motor delivers consistent cutting speed for wood, trim, and framing materials. Adjustable bevel and miter angles provide flexibility for angled cuts, while the lightweight design improves portability between job sites. It also includes a large table for better material support and a comfortable handle for controlled cutting. The quick adjustments help save time when switching between different cut angles. Pros: lightweight and compact design, smooth sliding action, accurate cuts, great for small spaces, and easy to transport. Cons: smaller blade limits cutting capacity compared to 10-inch or 12-inch models, and no laser guide included on some versions. This miter saw is best for DIY users, trim carpenters, and homeowners who want portability without losing precision. It's also ideal for small workshops where space is limited. At around $369.99, it offers strong value for a compact sliding miter saw with smooth performance and reliable accuracy. Number 4. The DeWalt DWS 713 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw from DeWalt is a compact yet powerful 15-amp compound miter saw designed for accurate crosscuts and everyday woodworking tasks. This miter saw is powered by a strong 15-amp motor that delivers reliable cutting performance for framing lumber, trim, and molding. The 10-inch blade provides a larger cutting capacity than smaller compact saws, making it more versatile for home and job site use. It features a single bevel design that bevels to the left, allowing angled cuts for trim and molding work. The adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate includes common angles for quick, accurate setups. The tall sliding fence supports crown molding vertically, helping improve cutting stability. Its lightweight and compact construction makes it easier to move between job sites. The camlock miter handle ensures fast angle adjustments, while the machined base fence enhances accuracy and durability for long-term use. Pros: powerful 15-amp motor, accurate miter detents, compact size, good cutting capacity, durable build quality. Cons: single bevel only, no sliding rail for wider boards, and limited crosscut capacity compared to sliding models. This saw is ideal for DIY users, homeowners, trim carpenters, and contractors who need a reliable, portable miter saw for framing, molding, and general woodworking. At around $249, it offers excellent value for a durable 10-inch compound miter saw from a trusted brand with solid performance. Number 3. The SKIL MS6305-00 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is a powerful 10-inch sliding miter saw with dual bevel capability, designed for wider cuts, precision angles, and versatile woodworking performance. This saw is powered by a strong 15-amp motor delivering around 4,800 revolutions per minute, providing smooth and fast cutting performance for wood and trim materials. It features a dual bevel design that tilts left and right, allowing quicker angled cuts without flipping the material. The sliding rail system increases crosscut capacity, letting you cut up to 2x12 lumber at 90 degrees and 2x8 at 45 degrees. The LED shadow line cut indicator improves accuracy and visibility compared to traditional laser guides. It includes 11 positive miter stops and cuts up to 50 degrees left and right for flexible angle adjustments. The tall sliding fence supports crown molding and baseboards vertically for better stability. A horizontal grip handle with a centered safety trigger supports both left and right-handed users. The built-in extensions and clamp help secure larger materials during cutting. Pros: dual bevel convenience, large sliding cut capacity, LED shadowline accuracy, powerful motor, great value. Cons: dust collection is weaker than premium models, and blade depth adjustment can be slower for repeated cuts. This miter saw is ideal for DIY users, home renovators, trim carpenters, and anyone needing wide crosscuts and dual bevel flexibility at a budget price. It's especially useful for flooring, molding, and framing projects. At around $249, this saw delivers excellent value with dual bevel capability, sliding rails, and large cutting capacity, features usually found in more expensive models. It's often considered a strong budget-friendly option for homeowners and hobbyists. Number 2. The DeWalt DCS 361B20V Max 7¼ cordless miter saw is a compact sliding miter saw designed for portability, accurate trim cuts, and cordless job site convenience. This cordless miter saw runs on the DeWalt 20V Max battery platform, giving you full mobility without needing a power outlet. It uses a 7¼ blade and sliding rail system to increase crosscut capacity while keeping the tool compact and lightweight. The integrated cut line indicator provides an adjustment-free guide for improved cutting accuracy. The stainless steel miter detent plate includes multiple positive stops for fast and repeatable angle settings. It also features a single bevel design with smooth miter adjustments for trim, molding, and light framing tasks. The saw is built for portability, weighing around 29 pounds, making it easy to carry between job sites. It can deliver roughly 183 cuts of 2x4 pine or 275 cuts of baseboard on a single charge depending on battery size. The compact footprint also makes it ideal for small workshops or mobile setups. Pros: cordless portability, lightweight design, smooth sliding action, accurate cut line indicator, strong performance for a battery-powered saw. Cons: smaller 7/1/4 blade limits cut capacity, battery and charger sold separately, less powerful than corded models. This saw is best for trim carpenters, installers, DIY users, and contractors who need a lightweight cordless miter saw. It's especially useful for job sites without power or for portable cutting setups. At around $347.87, tool only, it offers strong value if you already own DeWalt 20V batteries. You're paying for portability, convenience, and solid accuracy in a compact cordless design. Number 1. Meet the Evolution R8 MTS81/4 Convertible Miter/Table Saw, a compact, multifunction cutting tool that switches between a precision miter saw and a small table saw, designed to cut wood, plastic, and even metal with one machine. This versatile saw features a 2-in-1 convertible design, allowing you to quickly change from miter saw mode to table saw mode. It comes with an 8¼ tungsten carbide tipped blade built for multi-material cutting, so you can handle wood, laminate, aluminum, and plastic without swapping blades. The powerful 12-amp motor delivers strong cutting performance while staying compact and portable. You also get a 0 to 45-degree bevel capability and ± 45-degree miter angles for accurate angled cuts. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small workshops, garages, or job sites. The adjustable fence and stable base help improve precision, while the lightweight design makes transport easy. On the plus side, this saw is extremely versatile, saving space by combining two tools into one. It cuts multiple materials, is easy to transport, and offers good value for DIY users. On the downside, the smaller blade limits cutting depth compared to full-size saws. It's also not designed for heavy professional use, and switching modes takes a bit of practice. This saw is perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, home workshop users, and contractors who need portability. It's also great for users with limited space who want both a miter saw and table saw in one compact machine. At around $275, the Evolution R8 MTS offers strong value. You're essentially getting two tools in one, plus multi-material cutting capability, which makes it a budget-friendly option for small workshops. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews.